Hi everyone, Melissa here coming to you today with a small haul. I do have to say our neighbors are cutting the grass, so hopefully it's not too distracting. But anyways, I got a few things from several different places, and I'm going to start out with the one that I got from Simon Says Stamp. So I was able to catch another 99-cent clearance haul. So this is it, and I got some things for giveaway, and who knows, it might be all giveaways, but I thought I would get in on that 99 cents clearance. So here goes this one from Pekin, Maine. You can pause it and try and read it there if you'd like. And then I bought two of these. One will definitely be for a giveaway, and one's for myself. And this is from Pure and Simple. I had never heard of that company, but I think these are Photo Palmer. It doesn't say, but it does feel like it. I didn't smell it and see, but I think that's a nice set there. And then I purchased two of these. One I will be giving away, and the other is for myself. That's how it looks on that side. You can see how that looks. And then this one is a penny black stamp, and I will be giving that one away, I do believe. This actually goes with this last one, and there goes another penny black stamp, and I'll be giving that away as well, or I'm not sure about this one. I might keep this one, I'm not sure. This one I actually purchased for a giveaway, but I started to look at it and I said, hey, I might be able to use it. I don't know. We'll see. If I don't use it within the next couple months or so, I'll give it away. But the die set was 99 cents. This was the most expensive one, which was $3.99. And so this goes with that. And let me hold that up a little closer so you can see that. All right, so let's jump over to the Dollar Tree. I had seen some of these in someone's haul, and I thought it was very cute, and so I wanted to get in on that. And I had been looking around, and I finally found one at a particular Dollar Tree in my area, so I finally was able to pick some of those up. And then let's move to the Amazon store. So I went last week to the Amazon store, and I found some Diamond Dots paintings. I didn't necessarily get them from for the paintings or Diamond Dots pictures or whatever it's called. I actually got it for just the Diamond Dots, and they were $3, so I got four of them in the pack, so that's how that looks. There goes that one. And like I said, I will not be using these because I really don't want to get into the Diamond Dots, not the putting these together anyways. So I don't know what I'm going to do with these. Maybe take them up to the Goodwill or something. But what I actually got them for was for the Diamond Dots that were in there. And it came with quite a bit, so I was really happy with that. Like I said, they were $3 and quite a bit in there. So I will be putting all of those. Right now I got them in this, but I'm not going to keep them in these. I went to Harbor Freight and got this for those. So that's where I'll be keeping all of those. And then I also found some hemp cord, and I don't know what color that is, but it's kind of like a peachy orange, or kind of close to like a coral color. It's not quite the color that's on there, but it's pretty close. All right, and then my last place that I picked up some items. Oh, I forgot to say also that in with the Diamond Dots, I also got those. So I'll be probably keeping those. So, but anyways, the last place I went over was to scrapbook.com, and my main reason for going to scrapbook.com was to get these. And I kept it in my cart for a few days. Wasn't quite for sure if I wanted it or was going to wait a little bit. But anyways, I went ahead and picked this up because I was in need of one of these. And so I picked that up. And then I also got 6 rolls of tape. And this was a good price. They were like $11 and something for 6 rolls. So I picked those up. And the other thing, my freebies were, at the time I got my freebies, um, they were giving away these two items here. And then I seen on Polite Creations channel that if you got the text, they also gave away another free item on the phone text. And I picked up my phone with looking, and they actually gave away this. And a couple days before, I was going to buy this for like half the price. So glad I didn't, because I gave that for free. So the other thing, what I did, as soon as I purchased this order, I went right back in and purchased it all over again, because I thought it was just such a good deal, because this, I want to say, was normally 15, 10, and this was normally $13. So I just purchased everything over again. This will be going into a giveaway as well. So got a lot of things to do giveaways with. So if you want to be entered into some of those giveaways, you just have to check it out and see which video I do it on. So that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up and stay safe out there. You all have a blessed and crafty day.